Everyone, welcome everyone to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon Boot 30. As usual, this is Friday sessions, and yeah, we'll be trying to analyze the Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold. Okay, all right. So let's see what it does. All right, guys. Hope you all are doing good. Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome. Okay, so welcome. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys. So that guys, you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right, guys? Okay, so let me quickly send the link to all the people in the group as well. Okay, those who are in my group. Okay, if you have not joined the group, there is a link in the description box. You can join over there. All right. Hi, Aiden. Too early today. Wow. Okay, good to see you over here. All right. That's like a crypto hunters. Aiden, you are going to good call yesterday. Super. Yeah, you made some dollars. All right, guys. Okay. So I was whole day I was planning for my people, for the VIP peoples, right? So daytime, right? Hi, okay, hit it, Dragon. Zibot, okay, welcome, guys, welcome, everyone. Okay, without wasting time, we will be trying to analyze the market, okay, guys? Okay, what's happening with the market? All right. So last time I have been telling you all why yesterday the Bitcoin went up because we missed some structure on the upper side. It went to pull up that one. All right, just a second. I'm just getting this stuff right. Hey kids, don't see Seymour. All right. Okay, so yesterday we were planning a long from on the upper side because like I told you all 60 to 70% I'm looking forward for the longs only. All right, guys. So what about today? Today is 60 to 7%. I'm looking forward for the shots. Nothing financial advisor, guys. Okay. So let's see, anyways. Okay. So yesterday, what I was telling you all was day before yesterday, from day before yesterday only, there was a big dump on a downside. Okay. But if you see the candle formations on a 5 minutes time frame, okay, I was explaining to my peoples, all right, for the mentee, all right. So the candle formations were too tiny till over here only the retailer could push it down. Over here, that was a reflections of day before yesterday. Yeah. So over here it was done by the New York sessions and New York sessions, right? And this was done by the liquidations, okay? Liquidations by the market, all right? So nothing over there. The traders, real traders were never there. Small traders have been trading over there with the market, all right, when the market was pushing towards the downside, okay, but there wasn't a very interested people go for the shots. People were looking for the longs only, but to pay that off, right, market tried to squeeze all that way towards the get the liquidation from the downside and plan an upper side. Yeah. So I have been telling you all that yesterday also there was a chances of liquidations, right? Can you close the door because too noisy? Yeah. Yeah. So yesterday also there was a chances of liquidations, right? Not too close, just a second, guys. Skits. All right, because I will get technical error. Okay, guys, Fira page, everyone, welcome, guys. All right. So yesterday there was a breakout on upper side because there was no liquidation on downside. That was from the previous very long time backs levels only. All right. So that was actually a good one. Okay, in a single trade we could make a good profits. All right. In this over here the market lost the volatility. It was all the small pieces of candles that were trading in these levels, right? So all the trades that we have taken was not very good on those levels. All right, from the 11th May, right over here, then it was the market went all choppy. Yesterday only it could bring back some levels, good levels. All right, so today we see somewhat a little bit creating a sideways over here, trying to confuse the people whether the price should go on upper side or downside. All right, so this is the questions, guys. Okay, so if we look on the trend, okay, so before that going over there, let's try to understand, okay, what the market did yesterday, right? So guys, all right, last time on a 4 hours time frame, market broke down below, all right, and market broke down below. It went for the retest. Retest was done yesterday, day before yesterday. It was a uh, confirm one retest done. All right, once more. Okay, confirmations. Okay, this is the third level whereby the Bitcoin is doing the retest. But what the market did was, while it was doing a good retest, correct, doing the correction on the structure, it went up and tried to break out from this level. This is why we are getting lots of confusion in 4 hours time frame right now. Dragon Fortress. Hello, Rachel. Everyone, welcome, welcome, guys. Stimulated by discussions of the Clarity Act. Yes, there was a news as well. Okay, but when there is a always over here, you see, go back. Actually, that was a good move on the downside. If it was just just touching over here and getting a rejection towards downside in this level, I would have gone for a big shot on a downside. Okay, big shot on a downside, and my target will be downside. Okay, this is what I would have done. But what the market did, it just happened to close above the this level, which means there is a breakout. One breakout was left on upper side. So there is a possibility that is creating a confusion for the shorts and the longs both. All right, in this level. Okay. So this structure is for the shorts, but market when it comes for the correction, it just stayed on the upper side whereby the buyers are invited in this level. So what do you think, guys? So which side it will go? Confused, right? All the people are confused which side it will go. Okay, so let's go back to the smaller time frame and try to analyze what's happening inside the smaller time frame. Okay, yeah. So let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame, maybe, right? So there was a structure wise, it was correct. For yesterday's, everything was perfect. All right. So we got a something like this. All right. Something like this. So market have recently, let me keep closing this one. All right. No, let me make it smaller so it looks okay for you all. All right. So market went up and broke out on upper side. That is the mistake that market did. If the market was doing from here only, there was a confident 100% confident shots, right? But whenever market gives you all the opportunities, it always try to confuse you all if you're directly getting into the setups, right? It always try to confuse you all right? So over here, if you see the formation is still incomplete, the price needs to go up and give a touch over here, try to fake out on this third level, right? And one possibilities can be this one. Okay, so when the New York session starts, this can be one possibilities. But in fact, if the price happens to break above this one, retest pass, and that is going to be a very good rally on the upper side. Okay, maybe a new 80-ish on the upper side. Okay, so another possibility is market directly come down to take the liquidations of this W pattern over we have in this level, but in fact it is not complete yet. All right, it can take one liquidations over here towards the downside, okay, and trying to push the price later on the upper side. Okay, that can be one possibilities. All right, so maybe coming down below very low, right? So if it happens to come down directly from here without fulfilling the structure, only these levels will be crossed. All right, guys, it may not happen to reach all the way towards $79,524, guys. Hi, hello everyone, welcome simply world, everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. Okay, so in fact, if the price happens to come down without touching this level towards the downside from here directly, it may not throw the price very low. That will be just the liquidation, not that will be liquidations only, incomplete formation of structures on the upper side. Okay, and it might like to play around and try to push once more towards this zone and may go down all the way, or from this level it will be decided whether it is pushing on the upper side or trying to get down. All right, so if it happens to directly go up and complete the structure formations from the top, right, directly going up and getting a rejection from this level, maybe around this zone, okay, then that can be a very big drop towards the downside as well. All right. So that is the possibilities that I'm looking into today. All right. This is into my plan today. All right, guys. So what we have to observe is either the price is going up over here, or is it coming directly for the liquidations, coming down below this trend, trying to form a third levels, okay, and trying to push up. All right, so this level, and if it happens to break, it will go up. If it happens to get rejection, you might like to see a big drop from here, okay. So that will be a complete formation of the structures on the upper side, and okay, later on we can push it towards the, so I have a plans for the day trader also. I have already submitted to the my VIP peoples. All right, for the day traders, what they have to do is just wait for the position to come on their setups, and when it comes, then just act it. Right, just wait for the setups and act it. So this can be possibilities today. All right. So when the New York sessions opens, right, see whether the price is going up or going down. Right. So if it goes for the liquidations, all right, it might like to push all the way towards the upper side. Okay, in this level. All right. And this is in fact, so we can act one long position from here, one position can be seen over here, one position can be seen over here. In fact, if price happens to give you all the short setup from this level, if it is not giving you the short setup, your things won't be correct, right? If it gives you setup, even if it is breaking in the upper side, we should be continuing on upper side. All right. So after the liquidations, okay, most probably we will be thinking very long on upper side. Okay. If it doesn't come for the liquidation, it goes upper there only. I will be taking a shot from here, coming down all the way towards the downside. Okay, in fact, if I get a short setup over here, so we will be looking into detail whether we will get a short setup or not. In fact, if it happens to fulfill this structure, okay, formation on the upper side, most probably we can expect for the deeper on the downside, okay, more than this one, right? Previously, if it drops directly from here, this will be your TPs, right? But if it happens to go up and fill up the structure, then you might like to see a big drop on the downside, right? In fact, if it happens to aggressively push on upper side, then that will be a long only, all right, not a short, all right. So you have to be careful and checking over here whether you get a short setup or not, or from here, okay, small breakouts, all right, price actions, that comes into the matter, all right. So which side it will go right now, it is going for the liquidations. Maybe if it comes over here, then it might like to go up. Okay, this is the plan right now. So we never knows. Maybe the price like to move in a Bitcoin more like to moves in a different way and keeps changing it as well, right? So this is the plan right now. If the structure is formed this way, we can get a good setups for today, right, guys? So let's see what happens when the New York sessions opens, right, guys? Okay. Hi. Okay, let me see the comments right now. I need to go. I hope you will be here when I get back. Zabot, all right. Take care, Zabot. Free up peace. The subscriber count is broken. Oh, really? Sorry, guys. All right, let me see. Okay, because I try to change. It's okay. It's okay lah. Tomorrow I try to subscriber count is interact. All right. It is doing this. Oh, the browser, there is something in the browsers. All right, let me see. It's okay. It's okay. No problem at all, guys. All right, let it be. Okay, no problem. Okay, that is not very important, but in fact, that is just for my shows. That's counting the subscriber count. Anyways, that's okay. It seems like the chart is forming the triangle now. So let's see. Anyways, okay. So most probably sideways move we'll be expecting on Saturday. Okay. So tomorrow is going to be very boring day, guys. Okay, Saturday is going to be very boring day. I'll be coming a little bit late towards the when the New York sessions opens only. All right, towards the evening only. All right. But Sunday we will be having from the morning to till the evening. All right. So nothing much to worry. All right. We'll be trying to understand the market. Okay. Sunday, don't miss it, guys. Big plan coming for you all. If it works exactly what I have planned it, all right. So we never knows, it may changes, right? But let's see, okay. So from here, it needs to go up or down, come down. All right. If it comes down, if it after breaking out on upper side, we may like to get a small scalping on the upper side. Okay. But in fact, if it happens to push on upper side, then we will be continuing on upper side. But over here, if it happens to directly go up, fill up the structures, then we may like to short it from this level and come all the way towards the downside. All right. So let's see, guys, what will be the plan. All right. Anyways, we'll be waiting. This is on 15 minutes, guys. All right. So I'm going for the little bit bigger time frame, so that small time frames, it keeps making you confused, right? So people are more interested, though in the live streaming, long setups that people don't like. They like only quick one, get in, get out, get in, get out. But this is important, guys. All right, this is important. All right, very big targets, small risks will be taking in. Nothing financial advice. Make your own research before you move in. All right, guys. Okay. So let's see. Okay, guys, we need to wait for our New York sessions opening, and we'll be trying to squeeze the market, guys. Just a second. Triangle formations, Free Rapish said. Second. All right, let's see, guys. Let's wait. Okay, guys, have patience. All right. Those who have patience, they get. Those who don't have patience, they won't get. All right. Need to have patience in the market. Okay, guys. Need to have a good patience in the market. All right. Otherwise, you need to wait a lot for the setups to come in. All right. So after getting the setup, you need to hold for your setups, right? Until and unless the full target is not given, right? So this kind of patience is required in the market. Okay. So let's see, guys. Anyways, we'll be checking on market. All right. Daza, Daza, Tintin. All right, let's see, guys. Okay, so from here, if it happens to give a long side only, we won't be able to short it. Okay, but in this level, most probably, I'm expecting some fake out moves. It have already broken out on upper side. Okay, so this is retesting it. If again, we need to retest it. All right, in this level. So if it passes, if the retest gets passes with the wink, it might like to throw it around 0.43% on upper side. That time we will be catching one move on the downside. Okay, so we will be trying to understand the market from here as well. This is creating a short move from here for the scalpers. Okay, most probably it is going to go for the liquidations on the downside. Okay, so let's see. If it breaks out towards the downside, that will be a small scalping for the people who are looking for the scalpings, right? But very risky one. In fact, once it gets through on a downside, you might like to have a stop loss in this zone and try to catch this scalping on a downside. That is one move, all right? Those who are looking for the random, very fast moves, right? If it happens to break below, so that we will be going for the liquidation move, so that it will be very fast. All right, guys. Okay. So let's see, guys, what happens, right? Okay, over here. So if it happens to pass below this one, this is a one shot moves on a downside right now. All right, but not very confident one because the structure formation is not very good and from the top. All right, Let's see if it breaks down or not. If it breaks down below this one, you will be getting one downside liquidation move, okay, towards the downside. That is 0 0.6 or something else. All right, one scalping on the downside, okay. But in fact, if it happens to form a full structure on the upper side, you might like to go under this one. Very risky one, okay. So if you are taking it, just manage your own risks before you move in. All right, nothing financial advice. All right, so manage your own risks. All right, but I'm not taking right now. I'll be waiting for this one, this move, or this move most probably. Okay, so let's see what happens. If it comes for the liquidations, it will be a good shots. All right, but if it doesn't gives you the liquidation, if it goes for the upper side, then that is risky. Okay, so yet to decide price which side it should be moving when the New York sessions opens, right? New York sessions about to open, right, guys? All right, not yet opened, right? So let's wait, guys. Have patience. Okay, after that we'll be analyzing the market which side it should be moving. 80,400 stop in this candle if there is a triangle. All right. 80,408. 80,408. In this level, a little bit sideways, we can see it if you are checking this one, but it should be cleared for today at least. So tomorrow only we can expect a big sideways move. Okay, so anyways, let's see. All right. So tomorrow's expected sideways will be maybe in this zone, right? Coming down, coming up, right? We never knows. So tomorrow, most probably it will be too boring. All right. Till tonight, 12 midnight, the market will be going good only. But from the morning, it will start going for the sideways. That trade yesterday was boss man, Dragon Fortress. Recently, we have lost some track, okay, few days earlier because of the move that we are getting in. The Bitcoin move was not very appreciating one previously from 10th May, 11th May, yeah, 11th, 12, 13, 14 was very right. So from here it was getting a little bit volatility, in fact. Okay. Then from here it is perfect now. Let's see. Now, whenever there is some, because like when there is no good moves, all right, when you enter, it tries to come to your entry again and again and again. It doesn't gives you stop loss. Also, it's like takes a lots of time, guys. Hi, Nailamit, everyone. Hi, everything works in market. Piyush, hi, hello. Hello guys, hello. Hope you have listened to my plans. All right, guys, plans. Okay, if the market goes for the liquidation, it might go on a downside firstly, then might plan on upper side. Okay, so let's see, la guys. We'll be waiting for the moves when the New York session opens. If it breaks down, that can be a good liquidity. Okay, risky one though. Okay, if it goes up to fill up the structure, then that will be perfect for the shots. If it doesn't fill up this structure, that means it is leaving a structure empty, whereby one day from here, anywhere, one day it will come and fill up this one. All right, which means it is leaving still a gap for the long ones. All right, one day it is going to come up and fill up that one. All right. Let's wait and see what it does, right, guys? Okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Hi, hi. Hello. Hello. Friday sessions. Okay. Just be careful. If it directly comes down, I'll be once it clarifies this one. Okay. I'll be trying to plan once longs from here to fill up this setups. All right. That might be directly down also, but once it comes up into this level once more in the trend, okay, MSS market shift, then I'm going to plan one long over here. All right. But in fact, if the price happens to go up and give me a short setup, I'm going to short it from here and come down all the way towards downside. Okay. What do you think, guys, today? Move on upper side or downside? There should be one move, all right. There should be one move. Bologna. It have not broken right now. Okay, let's see if it breaks out or not. If it breaks out, that will be nice. That will be going for the liquidation of this W pattern, but W pattern over here is not complete yet. This W pattern is not good W pattern. If it was something like this, that will be a lovely one. Maybe trying to play one more time in the sideways. All right, that's also possible. All right. Wait, patience, guys, patience, patience over here. We require some patience. Let's see whether it plans for the liquidations or not. If it gives the liquidation, the moves will be very good on upper side. Okay, it have broken out on small levels on upper side. Okay, already. It may give one more retest. That's also possible. Something like this, right, guys? One FPG left in this level. One confirmations on the charts. For the confirmations, if you are trading the confirmations, you should enter when it is getting the confirmations, all right? It broke out of the triangle. It have not closed though, okay? If it goes out on upper side without breaking out, again, you might think of one sideways move as well, all right? Let's see if it goes for liquidations or try to fill up the structure, all right? Patience, guys, patience over here. Bolo na. This is holding as a strong support for now, guys. All right, strong support for the longs. La 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 la. Don't get confused, guys, with my drawings. All right. You see, if it breaks out, directly goes for the structure to fill up over here. I try to short it from here if I get a setup. All right. Okay. So if it keeps pumping on upper side, that shots will be invalid. All right. If it keeps pumping on upper side. All right. But if it gives me the chance, then I would love to short it from this level to go down all the way towards downside. Now the structure is filled. All right. Anywhere it is possible. Which side the New York station gives, we never knows. I'm not trading in this zone, guys. Out of getting out of this one, I'm going to make a trades over here. Need to have patience in this levels. All right, guys. Broke out of the triangle. All right, guys, welcome, guys, welcome. This live streaming is only for the education purpose, not a financial advice. Okay, guys, don't get confused. Don't make your decision directly from whatever I'm saying. All right, try to analyze yourself. Okay. Just wait, la. Just wait. Understand the market first. Understand the market first. Then you plan your setup. Try to understand. Give your try. All right. So people, they think that they never understand the market and they don't try it at all sometimes. Okay. But if you give a try, then you should be able to understand market. All right. Try to do a research, right? A little bit. Try to understand the market, plan your setups. If you get failed, no problem. If your SL gets heated, no problem, guys. At least you gave a try. Come on, right? Try to analyze the market sometime. Okay, try to understand what it means for you all. Okay. So if you check on a 1 hour time frame, then you're seeing this one triple top. Okay, right now the price is on the 1 hour time frame. This is on the average point. Okay, so it is always hard on an average point which side it will move on. All right, so maybe that can be a big drop on a downside or go up, fill up this one. All right, $81,938. All right, so we never knows. Or if it drops, it might like to give you a very big drop on a downside. Okay. Let's see what it does. All right, guys. All right, guys. So immediate trend, if you are checking on immediate trends on 15 minutes, this is what you see. All right, guys, if you are checking on the immediate trend that the market have made it, okay, so this is what you see right now. Exactly, this is what you see. Check on the yellow lines, though this is messy, if you want to check the trends. All right, so we are below this average. All right, if the price happens to go up and get a rejection from the average, we are coming down again once more. All right, okay. So this becomes breakdown, this becomes retest, right? Retest and trying to retest from this level, right? And coming down all the way towards downside. If it goes directly down, then we should go up again for the retest. So we'll be planning one long from here, okay? And this level and trying to push the market on upper side, okay? From here, if it breaks out on upper side, keeps continuing it. If it gets rejection from here, we'll fall down again. Okay, so this is what you see. What you think, guys? Directly going for the retest on upper side or coming down? What you think, guys? Just wait, okay? Wait and see. Okay, wait. Just have patience right now. You are also getting confused whether to plan for the longs or shorts. Some may be having a setups already, okay? Some may be having a setups with understanding. Some may be having no setups at all, right? So this morning I was trying to give you all the setups in this level, all right? So there was a small breakout, all right, on upper side, which we have closed it already, okay? Okay, breaking down on downside right now on a 5 minutes time frame. Breaking down. At least it should be giving one setups, one retest on this level. Okay, this is liquidity move. All right, liquidity move. So trying to take out the people who have shorts from longs from here. This is a liquidity move. All right. For the safety reason, always try to plan your setups when it gets back for the retest and confirms it, right, guys? If liquidation is given, then it should be around $79,860, around that range. If the liquidity is given, okay. Playing around in the support zone right now. Small breakout was given from the previous low. If it confirms, it's always best to enter when it confirms, guys. Okay, if it confirms, you might be getting this chart. 0.62. Let's see, anyways. बोलो ना अब क्या करे समझा कर प्यार में पागल. Small breakout was given on downside. Hey, market machineries. All right, Peter, is it still stop? Hey, had a bad day today. My prop firm spiked the spread on BTC to $30. I'm scalper. I didn't see that coming. Oh, sorry for that one, bro. Nothing much to worry. It's the way of traders, right? It's the way of the life of traders. Okay. So one time gone, next time plan. Every day the opportunity is going to be there. Just you need to have a fun in the market. Market mercenaries. All right. You just need to have fun at least so that you are not getting squeezed. What is your win rate? Sometimes some months it's getting 65, sometimes getting 75%. All right. Maximum I have win till 81.3 percentage. All right. Absolutely. Yeah. Nothing much to worry. It's the way of life. Okay. The way of trader. Get the stop loss done, sometimes get liquidate, sometimes get good profits, some months very good ones, sometimes loses also. All right. So Those who are not losing at all, either they are trying very smart, either they are not trading at all. Okay, guys. In the market, you have to make losses. But when you make losses, you should know when to get out of the lot, when you should stop for that day, right? Your end point. If you are making losses and you keep trying to make it up again and again, then rather than making profits, you'll end up making big losses. Wow. I mean, half of the initial profit ended up be, oh, it's okay. Hybrid, hybrid. Where are you from, bro? What is your trading capital? I trade with one different trading capitals. I have scalping, I have different one. For the day trading, I have a different one. Okay. For holdings, I have a different one. Okay. Because like for scalpings, I'm taking around $8,000. Okay. So from that, I take very few. All right, 1% max. Okay, for the scalpings, because like scalping is we ended up paying very high fees. So when we are going with the leverage, so we need to have a little bit big fund. All right. For scalpers is usually for the people who have a little bit around $10,000, maybe maximum, right? Around that zone, if you are scalping it, it will be good for you. Quick profits, because like quick profits, right? You don't have to hold very big, right? Small time, just open and see it, what's happening, right? And for that, well, I'm from Panama, Panama. I'm in Panama. I like the song, huh? I'm from Panama. Nice to see you doing live. All right. Good to see you too, brother. Good to see you too. All right. Good to see you too, brother. All right. Going for the liquidation, guys. If you have having a FOMO always when it is giving a spike like this, you can go with a small fund like a 0.5% or something else. When it goes back for the retest and comes back in this level, you always sometimes it will do go without the retest. Okay, for that one, if you don't want to miss the FOMO, right? Sometimes what I do is I try to go with the minimum fund, smallest fund that doesn't make sense for me as well, right? So I try to go that way. Otherwise, we have to wait for the retest, small retest on the upper side. Okay, so maybe till this level, all right, on the upper side, and come down to this level. That can be one thing. Over here, it is on a downside. The setup is there, but the retest is not done. If the retest is not done, it is 100% confirmed that one time the market is going to come on the upper side. Okay, let's see. Nice move, nice move. Nice, super. New York sessions opens or what, guys? Not yet opened. All right. Nice. That was a nice move on downside. Nice move, nice move, nice. Going for the liquidation. This is a liquidation, 0.17% move on downside yet for now. Lovely, guys, lovely. Super. Super, super. It never came back for the retest, right? Super, super, super. This level's important. बोलो ना अब क्या करें हम्म, हम्म। Lovely, super, super lovely, super. That's 0.25 percentage. Lovely move on downside. I'm not trading right now, guys. Okay. Those who have taken, usually what I do is, what I've said is, like, when you open a short position like this, okay, when there is a breakout, if you are not sure, okay, you always try to go with the minimum 0.1 per 0.5 percentage of your capital according to what capital you have, okay, and try to go. Otherwise, you should wait for the confirmations only. All right, or you miss the trade. All right, you miss the trade or wait for the confirmations. All right, because this FOMO is the only thing. Sometimes it will give directly, sometimes it will do. Small retest was given in this levels, only very fine retest. Okay, which means one day we are going to go up. All right, fill up that structure. All right. Mhm. So this becomes invalid. Confirmation, no confirmation given right now. All right. Lovely, superb, superb drop. This is a liquidation drop, which is going to be very great. All right, 0.33 percentage. Lovely, guys, lovely. How did you get the level of 79,850 dragon? Oh, this one, this one you mean? Oh, this is the level whereby we are forming a three buy. Whenever the price happens to reach in this level, people will buy. All right. To squeeze them, market will try to push them downside. Okay, downside. So it might like to give you all this some retest zone in these levels. All right, people will buy in this zone. Most probably, people will try to buy in this levels. All right, but the market tries to take them out, moving on the downside. Okay, it will go down and try to remove them. All right, remove the people who have buyed over here. All right, guys. So right now it is we're expecting this is invalid now. It market directly came down for the liquidations. I told you from here one level is coming down, one level is going up. Okay. So if it was going up, that will be filling up the structures. If it is coming down, so this is coming for the liquidations. Okay. Firstly, it came down for the liquidations rather than filling up the structures that was missed. Okay. That was too noisy. So people over here, you might see people will get confused and try to buy in this level. Price will try to play a little bit in this level. All right. People will start buying in this zone. Okay. So remove them. To remove them, market will push further towards the downside. Okay. And later on, after pushing them out, then that will be people thinks rather than thinking about the long, they will start thinking of the shots only. All right, in this level people will start thinking of the shots and they plan the shots. Okay, then the longs were squeezed over here and shorts will be squeezed in this level and price plans on upper side to fill up the structure on upper side. That time the price is going to give you all a very big moves. All right, but in fact, so if you are planning on a long side, where can we plan? This is not the level where we can plan. All right, once it gets out of this range, probably it will try to go for the longs, but we cannot be 100% sure. So when we can be sure, like after the breakout on upper side, then only we might like to think about the longs on upper side. Okay, otherwise it will be on a downside. If it breaks down below, then it will be going down further down only. All right, guys. So this is what we do. Okay, this is on the smaller time frame right now. Okay, 1 minute time frame. This is what we are observing. Okay, guys. So this structure gap is left on one side. Okay, one structure gap is left. Let's see. So if the market was filling up this structure from here directly on the upper side and coming down, that will be a permanent towards the downside. That will be a permanent towards the downside, but it didn't do that one, which means the temp falls are temporary for now. All right. temporary for now. So later on, again, price has a good chances of coming back. I'm not 100% sure, but a good chances of coming back. Nothing financial advice, but education purpose only. Thank you. All right. There is one liquidity on the downside until $78,800. All right. We'll see that one as well. So firstly, so liquidity. So for now, why I'm not expecting till that range is it may go to that range to collect the liquidity, but why I'm not expecting till that range is if it was filling up the structure from the top, then I would have expected all the way dropping to 78,000 towards the downside. But it didn't fill up the structure on the upper side, which means anytime price would love to come up. So I'm not very aggressive for the downside right now. All right. So this was the liquidity move. You are having it on this level. All right. So anyways, let's see. We'll be watching together. All right. So buyers will get in over here. They will get in. Okay. So market will push them further down. All right. We never knows how far it will push it. So most probably it should be above $79,498 and trying to liquidate these levels. After liquidation, it always keeps on the upper side. Okay. So that is the concept. Okay. And yeah, after there, we might like to think about the long as well. All right, let's see. Anyways, we'll try to see it together. Okay, guys. So 1, 2, 3. Lovely, guys. Super. So this is the liquidity move that for now we have it. बोलो ना अब क्या करें समझा कर प्यार में पागल People are buying it, right? Since they are reaching to the zone. All right. So there is a very risk in this level right now, very high risk. Okay. Let's see what it does. Let's try to draw a confined level, right? Exact levels, right, guys? So that okay, guys, wait. We are in this range. We draw correct one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, people are buying in the zone right now. People are buying, still buying. Because like on 5 minutes, I was one, this touch, this two touch, buying. People are buying in the zone. People pushes, market pushes further down, right? This will be the level. Observe it. All right. If you be confined and confined, if it happens to go below this one, then so most probably I'm not thinking below this one right now because of the incomplete. If it was completed from the top, then I would have thought of going liquidation below this one. All right. So firstly going up. All right. Firstly, then coming down. All right. Let me receive one call. Okay, so yeah, if you are thinking about this one, if it happens to this is the last level whereby Bitcoin needs to go up, right, guys? Okay, so trying to remove the peoples who have longs in this level. So if you have been checking on a 5 minutes time frame, you'll see some people will be buying in this zone, all right, and market directly bash them down, all right. They will have a buy zone in the zone, right? They are thinking of now they are removed, right? So it might like to further remove them. Their stop loss will be in the zone. Those who are thinking about one buy, two buy, three buy, all right. The stop losses will be here, okay? So we need to remove the stop losses for the longs, right? Guys, over here, people will be buying in the zone. They will be having a stop loss in the zone. Market will try to remove them, all right, firstly. Excuse me. Market will try to remove this one, okay? And later on, it will try to give you all the short setup over here. Shots will get in, and later on, it will be removed. Okay, if it goes on upper side. Once, if it gets on upper side, okay, if it gets breakout on upper side, then that's going to be so dangerous, guys. Market is going to be dangerous on upper side. All right. So most probably, I'll be thinking for the longs in the zone. All right, guys. Long in the zone after it gets back to this level once more. All right, guys. So right now, let it move. All right, guys, let it move. Previously, I marked this one because like so we never knows it might like to push a little bit down, but it should be up from the 79,508 range. Okay, in this range only, whereby the stop loss for the longs will be removed. Lots of stop loss is going to be removed in this zone. Okay, so you might like to see this one as well. All right. By chance, if it gets on upper side, okay, on the trend, okay, if it gets back on the trend, so this will be my first TP, all right, first TP, second TP, and continuously on upper side, okay. This will be one plan for me, all right, in case if it happens to break out on the upper side. If it never does that one, if it continuously pushes on the downside, I won't be going for the longs from this zone. All right, after getting on the upper side, then I might like to go for the long zone. All right, then only. Okay, so this is my plan for now, guys. So after reaching in this level, there will be two options. Either market continue on upper side, making a bullish move, or get back from that level. All right, after this level. So if you are entering from here, if I'm entering from here, I would have already booked some profit till this levels. All right, that will be 1% profit, solid profit for me. Then I will be out of that. I will be booking some profit. If it continues breakout on upper side, I'll be holding till next level. That is going to be, let me check. All right, guys. So if you are planning on a long side, make sure that it is not breaking below this yellow line. All right. If it breaks below this yellow line or this green line, right? If it breaks below this green line, then it will take time for price to come up. All right. So we should be above this one. All right. Above this one, this green line. All right. So most probably I'll be targeting 82,550 something dollars, right, guys? Or else if it happens to get rejection from here, one short plan can be done. Then we will come back all the way to take out the liquidations for the, because the structure is filled when it goes up over here. All right, one structure is filled, so that now coming back will be a, and taking out the stuff from the lower side will be okay, no problem. All right, so this is going to be my plan. And to specialize noise. Hey, many buy orders on 80,000. Yes, yes, many buy orders. It will be many buy orders. Okay, let's see. There is some liquidity. All right. RSI in combination with the volume chart is very useful. All right. but I never use indicator. Designer Hub, hi, hello, hey, Designer Hub. I'm just reading the message right now. Hey, last afternoon a lot of longs were trapped close to 82,000. All right. What's a typical spread on BTC? What is the craziest you are sometime? What's the craziest you see sometimes? I'm reading right now. Oh my God. Shit, my legs. Buyers getting in. Buyers getting in right now. So just wait and see. I can't do anything over here right now. All right, let it flow. Can't do anything. I need to work on few price actions over here. Okay. It needs to make one resistance for me, come back and break out that one. That will be confirmation for me once. Okay. I need to work out on some price actions over here before I go for the longs from here. All right. One structure gap left in the zone. Okay. Let me delete the trend right now. It looks messy, right, guys? Yeah, that's better. So let me delete this one as well. Okay. Bias getting in. Bias getting in. If it never happens to break out from these levels on upper side, the longs will be never coming. Okay, guys, this is what you have to understand. If it gets a rejection from here and breaks down below this trend, all right, this retest levels, all right, you'll be having on a retest level in the zone, all right. If it breaks below, then that is going to be downside, all right. Let it play around right now. Step down for liquidations. Wait, guys, patience, patience. Those who are planning. Last afternoon, a lot of longs were trapped close to 82,000s. 82,000s. Longs were trapped. Wait, guys, wait. Nothing over here. We need to take out the longs first, then only we will be trying to open longs. All right, guys, just again. Okay, lovely. We are observing in this level right now. Okay, break it out on upper side. Break out, up, break out this one, down. So once it finishes this move, all right, that can be range of these levels, all right. Once it gets break out on over here, you one long risky plan can be given from here as well, all right. But that's going to be very risky, all right, guys. So it will play around, and later on it will break out on the upper side. So if you are waiting for the confidence, you wait for the price to get into the zone, then only you can plan, all right. So this levels, right, on the upper side, this is what you do. Yep. Should be retesting once more. Let's go back to the 1 minute time frame and check it out. Should break out. Okay, small breakout was given from the recent resistance it have given. All right, that is super lovely. Okay, lovely. Longs getting squeezed. Let's trace the stop loss of the longs. All right, in this level. Broke out, small retest done. Okay, two times done. All right, two retest, one breakout, one retest done. Two things we require in this level. One small breakout, okay, one retest done. Got squeezed, coming down. Double W pattern will be also a lovely one. This level. Let's get back to 5 minutes time frame, guys. All right. Let's get back to 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes. 5 minutes before 9 New York sessions. Okay, last afternoon. Five. Okay, we have 5 minutes for the New York's open. If a big drop, till then, lovely, super lovely, 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 super lovely. Lovely, guys, lovely, 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 lovely. Sometimes we have to spend time studying the market, okay, guys. It's not only about setup. As soon as you open the screen, it's not that you should start trading. No, that's not the thing. You start learning it, right? You focus over there, you spend your time. Later on, you can plan it, right? So when the market comes to your zone. Okay, sometimes steady, just wait, let the market close. All right, you'll understand as well. All right, looks like we are going down. Let's see, that is also possible. Let's see the liquidations. We are ranging towards the whereby people start longing in this level. People starts longing from here only, guys, in this level only. But that is a little bit risky. Okay, I also used to do that one. All right, but not today. All right, this can be also risky long from here, but confident long is going to come once it gets on the upper side only. All right, because sometimes it will squeeze you if it never come back. All right, guys. Something like this. Boom. Just wait and see. Observe it, lah, guys. Just observe it. And lovely. Superb lovely, superb lovely. That is superb lovely downside. Crazy move. That is a crazy move. Superb. New York session started. Did it start? Yeah, just started, right? New York sessions. All right. Okay. Let's see, observe over here. Will it go continuously down or will it try to get back? Right, guys. Continuously down. Wow, superb. This is going through lots of liquidation and downside. Lots of liquidations. I'm doing nothing over here. Those who have a shots from this level, they are like rich today. But I didn't do any shots right now. 0.78 percentage moved. Let's try to study this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, crazy move. Okay. So our longs is getting invalid if it never come back. Okay. Our plan is getting invalid on upper side. Plan's getting invalid right now. Oh, invalid, I guess. Is planning lower side. Lower side. Let's get back to 15 minutes time frame. Nice move. Nice, nice. We didn't do anything, guys. We just observe it, all right? Because right now it is not going to my plan yet. Okay, if it comes on my plan, then only I execute it. All right, that's a good shot on the downside. Lovely shots. So if it continuously go down, next level is if it continuously breaks below the screen zone. This shouldn't break below the screen zone. If it breaks, then it is going to go for a crazy move on a downside. Crazy move. This is the level whereby you will be getting a crazy move, guys. All right. So if it breaks down below this level, this will be a totally bearish. All right. No, totally bearish. Okay. Might like to get one smaller retest as well and try to plan up. But one thing is, if it happens to go for the retest, it might like to bash all the shorts. All right. So let's see what it does. Okay. If it breaks below this one, it might like to give you all the one retest. Okay. Over here, the retest was never given. We're not operating anything in this level right now. I'm not operating anything. Okay. Let it break down. If it is a breakdown, let it break down, get a retest, boom down. Something like this. So only options for the Bitcoin to fill up the structure on upper side is pick out the shots over here and try to push an upper side, right? So that can be one options. Let's see if it breaks out towards the downside here now. Sometimes I just have to watch the market. I can't do anything. I just need to watch. If the structure formation is complete, then I shall plan it accordingly. All right. Liquidations. Now this long is invalid, right? Once it gets broken from this level, my longs becomes invalid in the zone. Valid longs, valid longs. Yeah, Friday. Budo. Hey, Vishal. Looks like we're getting down. Yeah. So we are waiting. We can't do anything over here. Just wait. Over here, this plan got flopped. Okay, it never happened to go up in this level, which means one day we never knows. All right, maybe Sunday, Monday, Sunday only. Next thing is so Saturday and Sunday. Now it will keep breaking below this one, then it might like to be the retest in this level, I guess. Most probably in Saturday and Sunday. All right, retest in this level, but the gap is left on upper side. Anytime price will move up, guys. Monday, Sunday or Monday, maybe Monday only. Okay, after breaking down, let it break down. Let it break down right now. Okay, we'll be waiting. This is nonsense. This is nonsense. This becomes nonsense right now. This becomes nonsense. My plan becomes nonsense right now. Lovely Shara, lovely super, but I miss it. I didn't want to take this one right now. Okay, let it go. How much percentage, guys? Lovely, 1.1. If it liquidates below this one, we are going to get big shots. Breaking down, this is crazy, huh, guys? This is crazy. If it breaks down below this one, this is the level whereby we have already broken down. This is retesting it. Your level of shots will be in this zone, guys. All right. This is your level of shots. All right. But I'm once it goes on upper side, then only I can short it once it comes down in this level. All right, then my plan will be coming short from this level. All right, I'll wait for this one, guys, or it may never come, right? But I'll wait for this one. If it wants to go down, get on it. Did I just then move them? Şekilde. Burası okay. Let's see, guys. Okay. Let's see. One gap is left. So most probably Saturday and Sunday we are expanding in this level now. We are expanding in this level Saturday and Sunday. And this is confirmed now. If it breaks down below this one, so it have broken down Saturday and Sunday. We'll spend time on the retest. All right, retest. So most probably in this zone. All right. Some Saturday and Sunday. If it happens to confirm on the Monday for coming down, I'm going to go for the good shots. All right. If it happens to go on upper side, good long. All right. Let's see. Anyways, nothing can be planned. All right. 79 can stop us. Yeah, Friday 79. 79 can stop us. 79.5. 79.5. It is over now. Right now. Over. Bitcoin is doing a breakout on a downside, guys, on a 4 hours time frame right now. Okay, it is doing a confirmation, breakout confirmation in this level. So we have been breaking out from this level. Last time we broke out, we went for the retest. Okay, so retest should be only in this level, but only till this level. Market went up with aggressive move and trapped the buyers and dropped them all down. Okay, so this is the level whereby the market is again breaking down from 4 hours support level, guys. This is after not breaking out. This is confirming the retest. All right. So, but I will be waiting for one more retest. Let it go if it wants to go. Okay. If it goes directly, this is the level $75,600 will be seen. Okay. So this is. Let's see what it does in this level. So most probably the Bitcoin would love to get inside this box on Saturday. All right. Sundays, you might like to see up and down, right? Saturday and Sunday. Sunday. Till Sunday, we need to go back. Monday, okay. So Saturday, most probably going more further from this level towards the downside. That's also possible. Superb, lovely on the downside. Those who are on the downside, lovely guys. But I didn't have any trade today. All right. I was just watching only, watching. The short was plan in my plan. Once it gets fill up the structure, and that was on my plan. So always market does something like this. Okay. So whenever it is planning for one directions, it always confuse the people and try to move on one directions. All right. If it was not going up from this level, these longs wouldn't be squeezed, right? Now longs are also squeezed in this level. All right. So it never wants to give you all the profits, right? If it was coming directly from here, I would have gone for big shots on the downside. But I cannot take shots from here as well right now because of the improper, complete formation of the structures on the upper side. Okay, one day it might like to come and again retest this level once more. So it broke out on upper side. It needs to retest, right, guys? After breaking out, it needs to retest. So that is missing. Is what I mean. Getting rejection from the top, that will be lovely shots for me. All right. So whenever there is no proper formation of structure, I usually don't trade. Okay, I just let it go. Though that is very big, right? I just let it go. Crazy 4 hour candle coming 2 hours, so either consolidate or continue dropping. Yes, this is on the 4 hours because it is It is breakout, breakthrough from the 4 hours time frame, guys. This is 4 hours time frame breakthrough. Okay. If it happens to go up there, retest it and confirms this retest, market is going all the way towards $75,600, guys. All right. Okay. But in fact, if it is just a breakout move, then market correction will be there on coming Monday. That time, you never know. All right. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Let's see. You are in a long shots, well and good, right, guys? You're lucky. You're good. Superb, lovely, superb, superb, superb. Who have shorted? Who have shorted, guys? Those who have short position today. Who got a short position? Lovely today. Anyone got a good short position today, guys? Anyone got a good short position? No one did short. Okay, no problem, guys. Crazy, yeah, guys. This is the level where this is the support for the longs one, guys. This is breaking down, which means this is a bearish right now. But confirmation, if you are planning for the shots, okay, for a long term, maybe small fund is okay for you to go for the shots, right? But after the retest, after getting confirmed, then only I will be shorting it. All right. Most probably trying to get up, right? Go up, get a rejection from this level, come down, then I will short it that time. Otherwise, I won't do anything over here. I'll just let it go. Right. I'll just let it go. Okay. This is what I'm going to do. I'll just let it go. These levels. So after the confirmations, I'll short it. If it gets confirmed, I'll short till 75 to $76,000. This is going to be my position. If it gets rejection from there. But if it never get a rejection, all right, guys, okay, if it don't get rejection, I'm not going to short it in this level, guys. 1 2 3 buy. Again, we have a one level over here, which can play out on upper side. For me now, this will be the position whereby I open my long or shorts. All right, my long will get activated once it passed through upper side. All right, so that will be the confirmation for me, retest for me. Okay, above this level again I can long it. All right, this level I can long it until and unless below this one I cannot long. All right, that will be risky for me. Okay, short position I can do it. All right, once it gets rejection from here and come down. If it never does, I won't do anything, guys. I won't do anything. So in this level I'll be keeping my stop loss, this one. All right, and planning this time. All right, this time I'll be planning on my long to all the way $82,600. All right, if it happens to pass through, this will be my position, guys. Okay, so let's see what it does. All right, this is going to be my position. My TP1 over here, TP2 over here. Once it gets through on a back on the trend. All right, once it gets back on a trend. But if it happens to get rejection and come down, I will go for the shots till $76,328. So maybe if it goes directly down, I won't do anything for that one. Okay, I'll just let it go. I'm going to ready to miss this one. Which broker do you use? I use Bybit. I use Binance exchanges. All right. So if you need a link, there is a link in the description box. If you find it on a Play Store, you can download from there and try to check it on yourself, right? How the features are, right, guys? Okay. Go in all or just before. I cannot. I came out at early for the shots. Design hub is before. It's okay. It's okay. Just don't get in FOMO. That's more than important, guys. How long till you know informations? So most probably today or tomorrow it will give you the confirmations. All right. So today maybe till after 3 to 4 hours you will get the confirmations. Okay. So over here, if it's going directly down, I won't do anything, guys, in this level. I am doing nothing in this level. All right, let it go down. Right. Till this level, also, I won't touch this level. This is what I do. Okay, if there is a missing structure on the upper side, if it was doing a retest from the upper side, once it got a broke down on the downside, it would be a lovely for me. All right, if it was giving a retest from here, once it got broke down on a downside, okay, once it gets a breakdown on a downside, if it was going back and retesting a small one also, that would be a good confirmation. I would have loved to short it from the top till this level. I won't mind, but it didn't do that one, so I'm not touching this all at all. Though this I'm missing a lot, all right, though I'm missing a lot, 1.54, but I'm not touching this level. This is what I do, okay? So anytime, this means that anytime price can come up, fill up this structure. Something like that happened on yesterday's move, also this one as well. I told the people there is a missing structure on this level. Okay, over here, it was breaking down, all right? It was breaking down, no proper retest. Small retest would be enough for me to go for the shots, all right? And I didn't do these shots. Okay, it came all the way down, but I didn't do these shots because this means that anytime price will love to, wherever the price gets enough liquidity from the longs, it will go up and fill up that one. Hey, okay. So let it go down. I'm not touching it. Sunday morning or Monday only it is going to get back, I guess, most probably. If it happens to directly go down. All right. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 2 days it will spend here and there pumping, dumping, pumping, dumping. All right. And only on the Sunday morning, Sunday evening, midnight, or the Monday morning, you might like to see the price and coming on a result. Let's see, anyways. Okay. Please check our gold. Gold. Gold, guys, gold. Gold. So whenever I'm planning one setup, I always happens to throw one side. I don't want to take one side. Both side I don't take it usually. I take one side I just escape it. All right. Wow. It should be. If it was breaking out on the upper side, I told you all to go for the long swing here. But it didn't. Nice breakout on the downside. So we are in this level right now. Bitcoin is in this level. Okay. So in fact, gold gave a small retest in this level. Okay. 15 minutes is gave after breaking out, it gave a small breakout and come down. All right. But the breakout, the retest was not very nice. Okay. The retest is not very good. Okay. So retest would have been in this level or dumped from this level. This level will be tested once more, guys. One day price will come, and more times it takes, higher the gold can pump. Okay, this level is have to be tested once more on the gold. All right. So right now you have left reach to the liquidity level, okay, whereby market is taking the liquidity in this level. All right. So let me check if you get a new setups on the gold. All right. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So it is giving you a long position, guys, on the gold. Okay, it's giving you all a long position. It is a long position on a gold, but market is going to close after some hours. All right, it is forming a long position for you all, guys, on the gold. It is forming. So if you are waiting for the confident one, you just wait for the price to. Right now, it is in a liquidity level. All right, it already broke out from the trend on upper side. Okay, so it is checking the liquidity. Just wait. All right, let's go back to the small time frame, 5 minutes time frame. All right. Mhm. So if you are waiting for the confident trade on the gold, okay, just wait for the price to 1 2 3. This is the level whereby gold is going to pump. Yes. If you are waiting for the confident, let the gold pass above this level. Okay. If you're waiting for the confident, this can be risky. You can plan long from here also, but that can be risky, guys. Okay. So you will be missing some 0.46 percentage, but this is making a form of long position. Complete formation of structure is there for the gold as well. Gold is soon going to this level, $4,688. Okay, guys, this is what it is. All right, 5 minutes. Let's go back to 1 minute time frame. We want to be correct. This is a long setup, guys, on the golds. All long setup. Broke out on the upper side from this level. This will be tested once more on the gold. Okay, this will be tested once more. All right, nothing much to worry. If it happens to break out directly on the upper side, again the price will come to this level. Once it gets a breakout, all right, it will come to this level and boom down, boom up. All right, this is going to be expected in this gold. All right, guys. The highest level is 4,000, so 2.71 percentage you are gold. All right, gold is doing better. Should I enter long here? Pat, hello, Frankie Pat. How are you doing? This is cool. Okay, so this can be, if you can hold it, if you wanted to go for the confident, let the gold pass above this one. All right. So right now it is retesting this level. Okay. So gold have given you all the long setup, guys. Okay. Nothing financial advice, just for the education purpose only. This level will be tested. If it is not tested later on, going up and coming down this to this range, it will be tested and it will plan to go up. All right. If it happens to directly go up later on after breaking out on upper side, okay, it will come once more to this level and test this level, okay, and go up. So solid move is on the upper side. Okay, guys. So if you are planning on a gold, maybe planning above this level can be one good move. Okay. So firstly, for the scalpers, you can just plan 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. So this can be your immediate scalping sessions. 1.1% from this level scalping if you are scalping it. All right. Holders, if you are holding it, I think it's a good position for you all to go for the longs in this level. All right. With a stop loss in this below this one. All right. So let it, if you are waiting for this one, just let it do the small retest in this level on the gold. All right. And it will pump up. All right. Soon it's going to pump up anyways, guys. All right. I think liquidity is taken in this level. All right. Hey, hi, hi. Hi, hi. Liquidity, liquidity. Hi, hi. Hello. Hi, hi. How are you? Hi, hi. Gumo. That's a Bluetooth plus. So one liquidity level is there. Most probably you wait for the position to go up in this level. All right, guys. If you are waiting for the confident rate, you get one setups over here. Shots, you cannot do shots right now. Anytime price will rise up. One W pattern is over there, came down to take out the bottom. Those who have longs over here, try to came down to take out the people from here, guys. So this one is now having a big fear. Okay, so maybe small drop can be expected, but most probably it is giving you all the long setup in this level, guys. Okay, with my price actions. Okay, if it retests it, if it confirms it, all right, you get out of this trend, all right, yellow trend, immediately you can go for the long positions. All right, over here, over there, wherever it is. All right, if it goes up there, you can go from here on. All right, gold is good position for the longs. Okay, BT is shitty to going to the downside without any retest. All right, so let's see. Anyways, I'm not doing anything with the BT. All right, maybe creating a big, trying to take out the longs from here, and it confirmed the downside bearish move. All right, guys, the go BT drop it from all the way upper side to this level. All right. So on the BT, once it gets retest confirmed, then only I'm going to plan the shots. That is going to be very huge. That is 3.63%, which confident trade only I'll be taking in right now. So if you are not miss, if you like usually when I plan for the shots, if you don't want to miss it, usually I plan it from here, the small fund and go towards downside, but I didn't do that one as well. Okay, for the BT because of some few structures left on the upper side which needs to be clear. All right. So maybe today not be, if it's not this week, maybe next week it's going to be clear. So let it go. All right. Gold touched the 4 hour spot and boom after the whole day selling. Nylamid. Okay. No entry before confirmation. Yes. So Frankie Pat, yes. Before confirmation, no entry. Okay, no entry. If it is not giving you the confirmation, don't enter at all, guys. One day you will be correct, but another day you will be getting a big bash of that time. All right. Always remember. Always remember. All right, guys. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, guys. Wait for this one. Okay, guys. So maybe it will take time, or maybe tomorrow only. So we never knows. All right. Saturday is going to be usually a sideways move, which we don't like at all. All right, guys. So let's go back to the smaller time frame and try to see if there is any price action that I can make it out for your longs or shorts, right? 1 minute maybe, right, guys? Okay. Um, But the bad thing is, it is giving you all the long setup. The bad thing is, it is creating a W pattern over here, which is a very danger. This W pattern is very danger, guys. Let me see if there is any liquidation left on the downside. Just a second. This W pattern, either it gives you a very good profit or it is going to give you all a very bad bash off quick SL. All right. 1 minute time frame. It's creating you all the long position, but that can be a scam as well. All right. Creating a long position BT as well in the smaller time frame. Smaller time frame, it is creating you the long position. But this W pattern, sometimes it just gives you the liquidations, guys. Just be careful. Excuse me. It will play inside this box. Double bottom pattern, right? This is on 1 minute, guys. Sometimes what it does is liquidation, it tracks the liquidation. So I don't like this double pattern formation. Previous was forming this long, a little bit long side. I would have gone for the longs. All right. Small, it didn't do any. A 1 minute time frame also, you can't see anything. No breakout on upper side yet. Nothing. Risky long, it can be risky long, guys. Scalpers, this can be a risky long. But liquidation is left on a downside, which it means. All right. So that long can be going only till this level. Scalpings, but I'm not taking any trades right now on this level. Okay, guys. This level. Okay. But in fact, if it happens to break above this level, I'm immediately going to go for the long side, guys. Okay. If it gets rejection from this level, I'm going to go for the shorts. All right. When it breaks below this level. All right, guys. So this is the level whereby it got stuck. Okay, guys. BT got stuck in this level. That's good thing, guys. Good thing. It needs to do the retest, guys. Retest. Retests I will be expecting in this range. Retest to this level. Bigger time frame. Let's see, guys. Anyways, I think it will take time. All right, guys. Nothing much, but we try to understand the market. When you are overexcited, don't try to trade it. Okay. When you don't understand market, don't try to trade it. Okay, guys. All right. You wait for the confirmation if you want to trade it. All right. Once it go back for the this level at least, okay, and comes down, then you can go for the shorts, right, guys? Nothing financial advice. Make your own research before you move in. All right. This level will be a good shots. All right. Once it go up and come down, breaks below this one. All right. Then that will be the confirmation for you to go for the shots. Your shots will be till 76,350. But in fact, if it reaches this level and if it happens to pass above this level, this is going to be a very good long. You won't imagine it. So 3.56% already solid, and we never know how far they push. All right. So this level is so most probably you expect price to move inside this box tomorrow till tomorrow. So I'm not trading tomorrow in this sideways box. All right, guys. Once it gets out of this level, then only I'm going to trade it. Okay. So most probably, if it today it is not able to get out of this retest box, then tomorrow, Saturday till evening, after the New York sessions only, I will be trading. Okay, guys. We won't see 83K enter long now. No. If you want to go for the scalping, that's okay till this level. But what I'm doing is I'm not trying to trade in the zone. All right. So if the market is not able to get out of the zone, all right, tomorrow you will see the price all the moving inside the sideways box only. Sideways box maybe trying to. So if it continues today, well and good. But if it's not able to do within 3 to 4 hours or 5 hours from here, market is going to be sideways inside this one. All right, this level. Okay, so this is the level the Bitcoin have created right now. All right, which is very good. Okay, it's breaking out on a 1 minute time frame. You are getting the scalping sessions. All right, on upper side. So you see whether it is breaking out on upper side or not. Firstly, it needs to break out on upper side. Retest it, confirm it, then only you can open for the long position. Okay, if it breaks above this level, all right, breaks above this level, retest it, right, retest it, and passes past the retest, then only long can be activated. All right, which is going to be very First level will be 1, 2, 3. So till this level might be you might be getting one bounce. All right. Don't get excited. All right, guys. Once retest is done, guys. Okay. If it doesn't do the retest, let it go, guys. Let it go. All right. So this can be one long scalping for you all. All right. But if it happens to get rejection in the confirmations, all right, if it never does confirmations, right, then you might like to see a big drop on the downside, right? So breaking out, that's breaking out, which is good for the longs one, all right? It is breaking out. It's not confirmed yet, okay? But it's not confirmed. It doesn't mean that you have to go for the longs right now. It's not confirmed. So if you are having fear of missing out, we just go with a small 0.15 percentage or 0.5 percentage. That doesn't make sense for you. All right. If you want to wait for the confirmation, you just wait for the confirmations. Come, let it come down, confirm the retest, and only you can go for the longs, right? Then you might like to trace all the way upper side. Okay. So this is going to be your plan. At least market should after the retest, market should be going up. All right. So incomplete formation of structure is there. Anytime the price would love to go up in this level, guys. Don't forget that one. All right. Anytime the price would love to go all the way on upper side. Okay. Just be careful, luck. So if you understand the market, it will be easier for you all to trade it. Okay. If you understand the market. So from this level only, it will be confirmed whether you are going up or coming down. It will play around a little bit, I feel. All right. Before it moves all the way to the upper side. Okay, from this level, if it breaks out from this level, I'm going to long it. If it gets a reaction from here and come down, I'm going to short it. That's all. All right, guys, that's all for today. Okay, nothing much. We couldn't trade. Okay, but in fact, we are understanding the market at the same time. Hope that was helpful for you all. If I get any setups, if I see any breakouts on upper side or downside, I will let you know on the group, right? My group, all right. Those who have not joined the group, you can join the group, all right, so that you don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right, guys? Okay, so Saturday and Saturday, I'm going to come a little bit late. Most probably, we'll be checking continuation with this one. If you are continuing the live streaming every day, every part, you will understand it every day. From this continuation, tomorrow it will be done. All right. Maybe it will like to play in the zone today whole night. All right. Tomorrow you might like to see sideways in this levels. All right. Breaking out, run down, right. And at the end of the time, what you're waiting for, up or down. That's all. All right. Big moves. All right. Big moves only you're waiting for. You're avoiding all those small scalpings inside this one. All right, over here, you're avoiding it. So you're waiting for the big moves, you just keep continuing it, right? Tomorrow you see the same setups, all right, coming back, you try to understand over here, you try to analyze over here, okay? Then that will be the continuations. Okay, yesterday it was on upper side. From this level, it broke out on upper side, right? From here, it broke down. Retest is left before it moves down, all right? So it will be confirmed, right? So that's how you will do it. We won't see 83K, 83 is coming soon, guys. It have left lots of gap on upper side. Okay, market is coming up soon. This I can say that one. Market is coming up soon, but it will play around a lot first. Before that one, it might like to drop all the way to $76,000 as well. Okay, but it is coming soon for that one. All right. So more time it takes, the higher the price is going to be. Okay, more times it takes, the higher the Bitcoin is going to be on upper side. The lower it drops, higher the Bitcoin is going up. All right. So, anyways, that's all for today. Okay, guys. Hope that was a good session for you all. All right. So those who are not focused on trading only, those who are focused on learning, this will be a good lesson for you all. All right. Okay, but those who are only interested for making dollars, that was meaning that maybe a small, very boring sessions for you all, maybe, right, guys? We never knows, right? So just be careful lah. Gold, yes, I told you this is the level whereby it is going to get pumped, right? So it did the retest over here. Okay, so well and good. Now gold is going all the way towards the $44,612, guys. Okay, and if it happens to break through, you might like to see the gold ranging for $4,687 on the gold. All right, guys. So this is going to come soon. All right, guys. Just be happy, luck. Okay, if you're watching without money, it's even better. Thank you, Aiden. All right, see ya. Okay, after watching Dragon for 3 months, I have improved reading market structure and having patience. Yes, patience is everything, guys. You see over here how much we have missed it, but that was without structure. We let it go, let it go. It never means that every catch you have to catch it, guys. Okay, we need to have patience. If there is improper, if the market is giving you profit, putting into the dustbin, will you take it? No, right? Something like that. I think something like that. When the market is giving the move without the structures, I just let it go. I don't do anything over there. I just let it go because like I feel like I'm getting a profit from the dustbin or like toilet, right? Something like that. I'd never take that one. If I'm getting this profit from my setup after everything get fulfilled, then I love it. I have a different feelings of satisfaction. That's all. Even if I get wrong, I won't be having any things. But in case in while over here without the structure, if I was planning a short, in case if the Bitcoin was giving you on the bash, then that was the biggest regret you will be having because like you entered into FOMO and you got bashed off and you're thinking the emotion will start thinking in the opposite way, guys. All right, the opposite way. It will just react in the opposite way. Okay. So this is how you do, guys. Okay. So just take whatever the market is giving you in the clean way. All right. If it's giving you in a bad way, don't take it loud. Just let it go, guys. Just let it go. All right. Okay. I also miss lots of trades. I don't mind it. Okay. It's okay. It's okay if it's given without structures. Okay. So just don't get bashed off. Right. Don't run into FOMO. All right. Thank you. See you tomorrow. All right. I didn't devote fair pinch. All right. Don't get into FOMO, fair pinch. Frankie Pat. Don't get into FOMO. Zivot, Designer Hub, Naila Amit, everyone. Okay, guys. So see you all, guys, tomorrow. Okay, at the same timing around New York before New York sessions opens, right, guys? Okay, before we'll come before 30 minutes and try to analyze the market. All right, guys. So after that one, we'll be continuing with the setups. All right. So don't market can before I go, if the market happens to break above this one, small retest will be given. You can go for the longs. Nothing financial advice, guys. But if it happens to get rejection from here and comes below this level, this is good position for the shorts. Okay. Good night.